Hey everyone, looking to save on your next week's subscription? You are in the right place. Today we will share the top week's promo codes to get you amazing discounts. Let's dive in. Step 1. Head over to Wix and choose a plan that fits your needs. Whether it's for a personal site, a business, or an online store. Step 2. Use these promo codes at checkout. Currently, you can enjoy up to 20% off on premium plans using code WEEKSAVE20. Another popular deal offers 50% off during flash sales. So keep an eye out. Simply enter the code during checkout. Hit apply and watch your total drops. If these codes don't work, try any trusted website for Wix codes. You might find additional discounts there. Why pay full price when you can save big? Try these codes today and take your website to the next level for less. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money saving tips.